to tell you all about the given number is prime number or not, to check whether given number is prime number or not. So now I'm just writing here the definition to understand more better. Sorry. So a prime number is nothing but it's a natural number that is divided or else divisible by 1 and itself. So a prime number is nothing but it is just a natural number that is divisible by 1 and itself. Let us see how to check a given number is prime or not. For that, what I'll do here is I just create a scanner class. Why? Because I want the user defined value to be printed on the console. Based upon that, we need to check whether the given number is prime or not. So I just want to declare one variable over here. So first I'm checking here it number, check with this number whether this number is prime number or not, and this number has to be given by the user. So that's the reason I have to create an object for the scanner class. And also I'll take one more variable int, which is of integer type count. I'm mentioning here the variable type, a variable name, sorry. And I'm giving a value, I'm assigning a value just 0 to this variable count. And after that, I have to create a scanner class because I want user defined value to be printed on the console part. So scanner, and for this object as an object reference as I have given as sc equals to new scanner of, and inside this I have to write some arguments like system dot in, and here s is the capital, and we have to mention the end of this like this. Just give me a minute. System dot in, and after that I have to I have to ask the user to enter the number to check whether the number is given or not. So I'm clearly mentioning here I have to print this message in the console. So I'm writing a one printing statement over here, system dot out dot println. So here I'm mentioning enter a number to check prime or not, and after that I'm just closing this with a semicolon, and I'm just writing again number equals to sc dot next int. This is the method available in the scanner class in order to take the value whatever the user is entering in the console. And after that I'm just writing a logic part. So I'm taking one if, and inside this we need to write some condition. If number is greater than 1, so within this block I need to write some logic. If number is greater than 1, what it has to do. So I'm just taking one for loop for int I equals to 1, I less than or equals to number semicolon I plus plus. So here it's doing like initialization condition, and it has to be increment or decrement. This is an updation part, this is an initialization part, and this is condition checking part. So this is all about for loop. And after that, inside this for loop I have to write some logic again. So inside this, what exactly I'm doing is I'm just checking whether the number is if the number is divided by the particular whatever here we are taking I is equals to 1. If it is divisible equals to 0, then we have to increase the count. So just what I'm doing here is if number percentile to I equals to 0, then what has to be do is count whatever this variable is. If initially assigned is 0, then it has to be increased plus plus. This is what I need to check whether the given number is prime or not. So after that, I'm taking one more if condition to check if count equals to 2, then it has to print it's a prime number. Just simply enter this out and control space. This out and control space system.out.println, and after that I have to mention here given number is prime number else. Within this else block, I have to mention out not a prime. The given number, whatever the user enter, is not a prime number. So let us run this program. First, it will ask us for enter a number to check the prime or not. So I'm entering here. Sorry. So I'm entering a number 2. Then 2 is prime number. Let me rerun this program once again. Re-execute. Now I'm entering 19. 19 is also a prime number. Let us see one more time. One more number. It's 20. 20 is not a prime number. This is how we can write the, we can check whether the given number is prime or not. So first of all, what happened here is 20, the number which we have given. 20 is greater than 1, which is true. Then the control will goes here. For int I is equals to 1, I less than or is equals to num. For example, here 1. 1 is less than or equals to the given number 20. So it will go to this for loop. And again, if number percentile here, number will be 20. 20 mod, whatever the modulus operator is there here, which is 1. 20 divided by 1 equals to 0. If it is the remainder is giving 0, then we have to increase the count plus plus. Now the count plus plus will become 1 here. 1. If count equals to 2, then again the control will goes here. Now the count value is 1. 1 equals to 2. Then it will print as system.out.println prime number. If not a prime number. So here 1 equals to 2. That is false. Then the control will not go here, or the control will shift to this else block, and this statement will be get executed, and not a prime number is getting printed. This is how we need to check whether the given number is prime or not. Let us execute one more time and we will check. So here I'm just giving 19 as a prime number. So it's prime number, obviously. So we will check. 19 is greater than 1. 19 is greater than 1. The condition will become true here. And the control will go to this if block. In the if block, some for loop we have written. So this is initialization part. This is condition part. And this